moving.
I'm not even biting. Hello guys, hey guys, hello guys. Today we're at Cleveland Jam. Weather is a little cold today. It's cloudy. It's a little chilly.
We are hoping that this is our first video that is going to make sense. Like this time we are going to try to talk on the videos, and it's not going to be one of those silent videos. Hopefully we do catch a fish. Yeah, because if we don't catch a fish, this video will be
boring.
It's recording pretty well. 4K camera. I'm recording you. So today we are going to try by all means to catch a bass. Just cast and see how this goes.
You can show us what you are using.
I'm using this lure, and I don't know what's the name of this thing, but anyways, it's fine. All right, let me cast. Okay. I'm going to be honest. It's been a long time since I've been out here. I don't think we are going to catch any fish here because this place just looks a bit.
The wind.
It's the wind.
It's the wind.
Tide is high. Like it's been raining. Okay. Now let's move on the bridge. So now we are going to the bridge. I don't think I am going to catch any fish today. I am hopeless now because the first cast was okay. So right now we are now going to another spot to the bridge. Oh wow, what is this? I have no idea what that is. Like in English, I mean, like what do you call majuru in English? Majuru. The weather is very chilly today. Okay, so let's just put this here, and then if you want to use my worms, that's no problem. No problemo. You can try. So guys, last time we were here, my wife caught a big bass. It was super big. Let's try to catch a fish. Let's see how this goes. AI told me that this weather is good for fishing. So let's try and trust AI. So my wife is over there trying to get the worms. She thinks that the worms are going to work. Yeah, I also think so. And this thing doesn't look like, if I were a fish I wouldn't eat that. It looks like a bomb or something like that. What? I don't even know what I'm thinking right now. So I think it's time to switch this lure here because it's not working, bro. It's not working. Or maybe I'm the one who is just impatient. But this thing looks more appetizing. Let's just catch something. It's time to catch something now. I need to prove to my wife that I am better than her. Okay. So like this, you do this. You are here to watch me catch a fish. You are here to watch me catch a fish. Good for you. Yeah, because I'm going to catch a fish and then you are going to enjoy. This is so sad. Like, why am I casting so bad? Okay. But you know the trick with the worm, you have to cast it and then leave it.
Yeah.
Oh, we are already eating.
Yes.
Really? You brought some donuts. But where's the juice though? Which one is big? This one. Okay. This is not. Okay. We should have brought more of these. Super beautiful. I think she just cut something. Whoa! Wow! Woo! It's just you need to hold it. Okay. It's like it's almost off. Just hold the fish, the mouth. Hold the mouth. The mouth, yes, like that. My mouth is on fire. Wow.
I told you, for me it's not a bad day.
It's not a bad day for
that will.
Wow, I was saying a lot of negative stuff. Dang it. She just got a fish and she was telling me, I'm embarrassed because she has been telling me to stitch the worms, and I was like, now wow, let me just cast this thing and just leave it in the water so I can go and help her. Dang it, man. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to switch to worms too. Let me go and help the wife. She always catches something before me all the time. Oh. There's my office fish. I want to cast here. You know that fish is big. I think it's high time I change to a nice trawler, because I can't be beaten again. Yeah, the wind is cold. The wind is going at like about 35 kilometers per hour. Just casting and casting and casting and casting. Now I'm just depending on my wife's sketching. Huh? Yes. I'm depending on my wife's skills. I have to catch something today. So embarrassing. This one looks good. A fish would definitely want to eat this. Okay. Or this. No, these two. These two are nice. Maybe they're just nice to my eyes, not nice for the fish. It's a bit too much. Oh, you have noodles and the eggs. Oh, okay. That's good. Otherwise, oh, we have baked beans, Olivine baked beans. I love those. I love Olivine products.
Yeah, they're so good.
Yeah, they're so good. From little monkeys trying to steal our food. There's like a lot of monkeys here trying to get our food. Look at this one. Mr. Sneaky Soko. Soko Mrio. He was almost here, like we had to run so fast just to scare him away. And his friends. Oh, look, that one is a baby. That one.
It's big.
Oh, it's not a baby. They're fighting. Wait. Why is it that color? There's my mouth trying to get another fish. I'm feeling a little bit low today. I don't know why. And I am so happy that my wife caught a fish. close to me. The little monkey. Look at this one. Oh, the baby. It is a baby. A little baby. Guys, I'm just experiencing life right now. Okay. So now my job is to reward my wife while she's fishing because she's the only one who is always catching.
Because I'm the only one what?
Huh?
Because I'm the only one what?
So what?
You said because I'm the only one what?
You're the only one catching. So
you're hoping
I think I should put this thing on manual. So it's just us here at the moment. There's no one. The sun is just coming out and
where that?
the monkeys are chill like humans. That one for the beans. The bean. Guys, I'm out. I'm just trying to. Did you catch?
No.
Please just catch something on camera so that people will see you catching.
Okay. What did I put again?
We are about to go over there. So we're going to walk around the dam and then we are going around. Okay, bro. So I got the fish. I have to walk back all the way to here. The fish is good. It's not that small. It's big enough for two people. Yeah, she is gonna have to share. She can't just send me back here for free. Okay, so now the second spot, fed. Got snake for long. We're not staying here for long, so let's just cast 3, 4, 5 times and then we move. Kind of like, don't we have smaller hooks than this? Let me just put this one. This line is so. So guys, we have managed to catch another. This one. So we decided to start doing the traditional fishing.
Yeah.
Just fishing for the
For
small
fun.
fishes. If we catch a lot of these things, we're gonna eat good. A lot of these small ones. Oh wow. My mouth just caught this one. So I'm going to try and cast over there, and if I manage to catch 10, if we manage to catch 10,
Yeah, if you manage.
yeah, hopefully we catch 10. I've decided to take off my shoes, and yeah, that's what's going on. I think this is what we have decided to do since the bass are not biting. So
We're using worms.
We are now using worms to catch these. My more fish is in here. Here it is. So I'll
That's
update
mine.
you.
Don't touch it.
Okay, let's film my more fishing just for a little bit and see what happens. See if she catches. So guys, we made some traditional fishing rods with traditional barbers, but the barbers are sinking. They are not floating. What's going on? Some people are just enjoying their day in a boat. This looks so fun. It ate all your bait.
Mm.
Is that a fish?
Mm.
Ah, my mouth, you're not catching.
I'm
What's going
catching
on?
something.
I'm tired of recording you. Let's catch something.
Yeah, sure.
Ah, there's a noodle.
Oh, I thought you caught something, guys.
This is so disappointing. What? If you manage to catch 10, that will be enough for SADS.
Yeah.
Because all I want is SADS.
The rose.
Mm.
Mm. This is too small. Oh.
Oh, you dropped it.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Do that, guys.
Let's see that little fish.
Mm. These are baits. Yeah.
It's too small.
It's too small. You can use the one.
Like Matemba. It's too small. She's saying this is too small. So we are going to use it for bass fishing. Because bass eat the small fish. So we use the small fish to catch bigger fish.
Guys, they're not even biting. Can you imagine?
They will.
Ah.
We are next to a shooting range. So there are people shooting guns at Cleveland shooting range. So sometimes we just fear for our lives. What if stray bullets just come at us? Just imagine a bullet from nowhere right into your leg, worse even your head, and then you die without even knowing what hit you. I can see the fish, that's the worst part. You can see it when it's attacking your bait, and sometimes they don't even see you, like they just ignore it. That's the worst part, bro. That's the worst. So seems like they are not interested. Looks like my mouth is catching over there. Oh, she just caught another small one. Can you show it to the camera? Oh wow, such a big fish. It's so big. Luckily I caught one slightly big, but if you don't catch another big one, we are going to eat the small ones that we have. That's what's going to happen. Because what am I going to eat? Fish is fish. Okay? It will taste like fish, so I don't think there will be any difference. Okay? Don't even say anything, because we eat matemba, so it's not like we don't know. They're small. I think it's time to go to my Mofu spot and mess up things over there.
This is so fun.
Are you catching anything?
Yeah.
Please catch more. We need to eat. Can you?
I think I do.
You're hungry.
I'm hungry now. We haven't eaten anything
Since morning.
since morning.
You got another one? It's very small.
I got it.
But either way, if you don't catch another big one, we're going to eat this.
Yeah, we're good.
Because I need to eat the fish. Guys, we caught like a lot of small fish. Let me show you. They're small, but there's like catch of the day. So I got most of these. Yeah, this is my Morphus and this is mine. She's winning right now. She caught the big one and the 3 other small ones. And I got this one and the other like that. Wait, wow. Some of them are too small, but we can still eat them.
Yeah. So now we are moving.
We are moving.
We're maybe. I'm still recording.
It's so hot now. Do you need to look for somewhere where there's a shade? Somewhere there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait.
But I was thinking, somewhere there.
Okay.
Hey.
I hope a snake.
Yeah, we hope there's no
is
snake
not
here. If you found one,
I'll kill
if
the
you
snake.
find one,
The snake will
we
die.
are gonna chop it.
We're just going to pitch the tent panapa.
Now watch for snakes. What are you doing?
I'm just no.
You're just knowing.
I'm just knowing.
Brothers of the night watch.
Yes. Men of the night watch.
You slay dragon, you slay fish.
I slay fish. Small fish, apparently.
Okay. Okay.
Slaying
That was
trees.
good. That was good.
That was good, girl.
Uh-huh.
You want to see it again?
Do it again.
Again.
Okay, that's enough.
I am worthy to be Lord Commander.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lord Commander of what?
Okay, so I think this is enough because I don't have a hole. If I had a hole, I would have made it better than this.
Yeah.
So we're just going to pitch the tent here. And then you can stay there. Let me just get the tent.
Okay.
But I'm going to get like okay, let's leave this here for now. And get the tent. Get the tent. What if we sleep here at night? Would you like to sleep here at night?
Obviously. Why not? Why not?
Why are you afraid of snakes?
I'm afraid of snakes.
Snakes are afraid of people.
Oh, okay. We are in their territory.
We are humans, okay? Okay? We went to the moon and built something there. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
We took lions and put them
Do you
in
want to pitch
cages.
it alone?
Yes, I can try.
Okay.
I can try to do that. Just here. So it's something like this, right? The easiest tent to pitch like that. So guys, today, are you recording? The red thing is blinking.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, today I'm going to show you how to pitch a tent, especially tents like this. Like these are very complicated tents. Yeah, so this is a tutorial. You just, no, you don't just, it's not easy. Like that, just like that. I made it look easy, but it's not easy. It takes a lot of practice.
Easy.
Don't take my knowledge. Just because I do it like in 3 seconds doesn't mean that it's easy. This thing is hard. Like, you can't just pitch it like I did.
Okay.
Yes, especially if it's your first time. Okay. So now I have to nail some stuff around here. This cape makes your head looks too small. You should wear it like this. Yes, like that. Now look at the camera. Smile. Smile.
Mofi is saying we should sleep here,
Yeah,
but
we can.
oh, I'm afraid of
I have
snakes. I'm
slept in the
afraid of
jungle
lions.
before.
I'm afraid of.
I have slept in the jungle before, like a lot of time.
Oh.
What am I going to do? I hope cook. She forgot the meat though. That was a big mistake. How can someone forget?
All right.
Don't even look at me like that. How can you forget the meat? How? You thought we were going to eat grasshoppers here? Huh?
This thing is
Is
so
that even
heavy.
that heavy though? I have to make a fire pit. Or do you call it a fire pit? At this time. It's about 1 p.m., right?
Yeah, I think so.
Around 1 p.m. Okay. Huh?
Still need you. And that one.
No, this is already dry.
Yeah, it's already.
Like it's not like I'm cutting down a tree or something.
Yeah. It's possible.
As fast as I can. I have no option. Yeah. But so the fire is picking up.
Yeah, maybe. Or should I fry 2 eggs and then boil 1 egg for noodles?
It's so nice to have beans when you're camping. Campfire cooking with Memo.
Yes. My Mofu's kitchen. Welcome to my Mofu's kitchen.
Memo's kitchen is
Oh,
so wild.
yeah.
At least we caught some fish,
Yeah.
even though the other ones were too small.
Do you want to taste the eggs?
You want me to test it?
Yes.
Wow, they look. The heat is just too much.
It's too much.
Guys, if you haven't tried these olive and sugar beans, just try and see for yourself. Test them for yourself. They're so good. That stick is about to burn out. But camping is not easy, guys.
Oh.
Camping is not easy. It's fun, but it's not easy. Oh, the beans are done. Wow.
So I want you to help me to
They
remove
look
them.
done.
Don't drop it, please.
I'm dropping it. I'm not dropping it. Why would I drop this? This is precious beans. Why would I drop precious beans? Huh?
Thank you.
This is why I came here.
So,
But, so my mom is now cleaning the fish, guys, and we ended up putting back some of the small fishes because they were too small. So lucky.
yeah.
Yeah. My mom caught a fish. I didn't. But I caught the other small two, the other two,
Yeah, you did.
the terrible twos. Do you still remember that? We said the terrible twos.
Oh, the terrible too.
True.
No kid, go home.
Go. Despicable me.
What kind of name was that?
You terrible dudes. Tabla.
Blue.
Much.
Yeah, a little. It's in peace, my goodness. Bye, Basuza.
Ah, it's so hot.
So hot.
Ah.
Do you want to? And this is ginger.
Oh, ginger. Yeah, ginger is good for fish. I think fish spice is made up of too much ginger.
Yeah, I think so.
Like they just put.
You still remember it, okay?
Mm.
And then
You know, it's just one fish, but it's a lot. That lemon.
yeah, it tastes so fresh.
Lemon. Look at those people looking at us.
Where?
People are looking at us there.
They're saying, "Oh, this is Tim and Liz."
They are looking at us. Like what? Okay. You need to check it out.
Yeah, obviously.
It's almost like
You want to taste it? That fish.
it's looking good.
It's looking so good. It, guys. You should try
Guys,
it.
we should try fishing. We should try camping. We eating good today.
This is good.
So guys, turns out our mics stopped working from this moment. There was no audio. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, and please comment down below if there's anything you would like us to correct, something that you would like us to work on. As we said, that this was our first video, trying to, yeah, just us. Okay, so yeah, and also we do encourage you to just go outside and enjoy life. There is peace out there, and peace is one of the most valuable things you can have in life, and you have to protect it, and sometimes you have to choose it and make time for the places and the people that give it to you. Like a calm mind and a happy heart are worth so much. And sometimes when you forget to just, because life gets busy out here, and sometimes all you need is just a day out and pause, and you realize you already have a lot to be thankful for. To know you, and that's enough. Oh, that's enough for me. Every time I'm